What's up, guys? It's July 22nd, 2024. To break down the E-mini. Pretty nice day for the Bulls. Bears made money in the morning, and then it was more of a sideways day. It wasn't really a bull trend day. Big up, big down. Bulls had a gap up. Bar one's not good. More like a pullback. Bar two breakout. Bar three pullback. Bar four breakout. So like one pullback like two, or it could be like one pullback like two, pullback like three. Real quick, where are we on the higher time frame? So yeah, we had that gap bar and Bulls bought it, which is this is today's bar. Here we are on the 45 minute. So this is showing the gap up and then continuation. 45 minutes just showing vice versa. This is showing the gap up with continuation, and this is showing the overnight session price action. That's why it looks like one bar here and there's a gap here. The Bulls bought the daily EMA. Be interesting to see if this bullish leg ends up being a pullback and Bears get their leg too, or do we trending over the EMA for 20 bars? So do Bulls resume are they going to test the highs? And I don't mean straight there. I'm sure it'll be a choppy, some sort of wedge pattern into resistance, and then we'll see if we break out or not. I'm gonna mute this mic. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, we have that gap up here. Gap up, bar one, not good for the Bulls, but it has a lot of bullish pressure. It sold off and reversed higher, so that's a tail. Bad for the Bears, good for the Bulls. Breaking above the higher time from EMA. Bar two is a breakout. Bar three, opposite bar. Bar four is a leg two. Or if you count this big gap, if you count this big gap up as leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, or breakout leg one, pull back leg two, second leg trap into. Well, we don't really know this is resistance, so I'm not going to draw that in yet. Bar four, bad follow through for the Bulls bar five, bad follow through for the Bulls that bought bar four. Bar two, really bad for the Bulls, good for the Bears, breaking past. It's not a good breakout bar because the lows here, the EMA's here, but from breaking past, this is one bar that took out all these bars range. So there is some strength to this. There's some selling going on. And it sees continuation, but it bounces off the EMA. It actually doesn't touch the EMA. Bounces off, and Bulls get a leg two move. So we can see this leg one, deep pullback, leg two, shallow pullback, leg three. That's a wedge top right there. Leg one, pullback, leg two, pullback, leg three. So there's multiple ways to read this, but they all kind of add up to getting out at resistance. It's after this leg gets put in, after this leg got put in and this leg got put in. That's range bound price action, right? Big up, big down, big up. And then Bears get a pullback. And then this vacuums up to resistance and bar 19 sells off. I'm trying not to get tongue-tied here, but what I wanted to say was leg one, pullback leg two, and then this bar broke the trend line here. I'm trying to get better at counting legs. I'll show you how I counted this leg here. So this bar 15, bar 16 broke the trend line, bar 17 broke the trend line, and then we retested it. So that's like what I was just talking about on the daily time frame. We just broke this trend line. Are we gonna retest it and sell off? How it happened right here is what I was thinking about right here. But maybe this can happen in the form of a wedge. So 1, 2, 3, and then we test the high. How? Because if we test the high here, the Bulls that get trapped here and here will get out, and that causes a big sell. 20, 21 is a pullback. 22 is continuation from 20, and it gets a second leg. Bears get a second leg. No highs are being broken until. So what I mean by that is no trend lines from here to here's a trend line. Technically that breaks this trend line, but the high was not taken out until bar 31. bar 29 broke the high. So see, this is what I'm talking about. This candle went above this candle's high. That's another leg, and then that's a leg three right here. 30, 31 leg three. We'll start to buy the lows of bar 8 and 9. So these bulls are buying the low of the day, trend higher, start to break out above the EMA and the higher time frame EMA, and bulls test the swing high of the day. It's buy the close rally. It's weak. It's a breakout, overlap, breakout, lots of overlap, breakout, and then we go range bound for the rest of the day. Tight trading range. It was a buy low, sell high day. We had a gap up, big down, big up. So it's range bound price action. I bought this breakout. I did well, and then I got chopped up here looking for a sell into one of these levels. So I'm still working on it. Kind of annoying, but I think my weaknesses are really coming to light, so that's good. I can just attack them faster and get on with it. So it is what it is. I didn't mean for today's to be a short one. I just looked at the time and it's been 5 minutes. Dang, did I rush through this? I didn't realize I did that. What the heck? Are we... Yeah, I don't even know how that happened. I guess today's gonna be a short one. I'll probably listen to this and be like, wow, I skipped 20 bars or something. This was a buy the close rally and we tested high. In trading ranges, it's more of these big bars are acting as vacuums rather than breakouts. When we're in a trending environment, those big bars are more breakout. My computer's freezing. Breakouts. So see these big bars, they're still testing some sort of support, but they're also breaking out to new lows of the day. These bars are vacuuming into resistance and then going sideways. So range bound price action. I think we're gonna go sideways for a little bit because I was talking about, you saw the other video when I inverted the chart, see how we approached the EMA here before we sell off, we went sideways and then sold off. Maybe we go sideways and then we buy. So hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Thank you for the support and hitting me up in the Discord. Discord's actually starting and people are talking to it. It's kind of cool. Let me know if you want to invite. Have a good one, guys. I will talk to you later. Keep using your stop loss and keep studying. Bye.